Hi guys, this is Dan and I just wanted to make a quick video to show the issues we're having with the CRV right now. So I'm going to go ahead, point it. So I do have to disconnect the battery because if I don't, it actually kills the battery. Like we took it in and had it, the last one, and had it tested. Yeah, unfortunately they tested it and said it's dead. So this is a brand new battery. But you can see as I plug it in, the car turns on right away, and then it basically like doesn't ever turn off. So like it's on here, I can try to turn it off, like it just doesn't like turn off. And you can, I don't know if you can see, but like all of the lights are flashing, like it says like every single system has a problem. Now if I try to start it, it will do that, but it never turns over. And then this is all it does. So I have to turn it off by unplugging the battery. So looking for some help diagnosing this. And I also can't get into the can't get in there to the service center because it won't start anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this again just so that we don't kill the battery. Totally started happening out of the blue. So again, looking for some help with this. Thanks guys, bye.